Hello guys, today the video is about Bose Soundsport. I bought this from Amazon for about 8,000 rupees. Currently the device is being sold in around 13,000, which is its current market value. But I got this in Amazon Festival Day, and I believe that was a stellar deal. As you can see, I went for this black variant, and there is one more black and blue variant which is also available. The device comes in a really nice packaging, as we would expect from a company like Bose. Once we unwrap the cover, the first thing we will see is the headset, and let us keep that to the side for the time being. It comes with the micro USB cable with which we can charge, and they claim to be about 6 hours of battery backup in one single charge, which takes at least 2 hours to get it filled. We will get additional 2 sets of extra earplugs. One is of small size, one is of large size, and medium is already the device already comes with this medium. So this comes with a pouch as well, which seems to be a little small considering the Bluetooth headset, the length of it, but it fits perfect. It is fine. It comes with a netted place to hold your extra earplugs or your charging cable, and also there is a nifty hand clip. So that's all we have in this device, and there is a leaflet which will just explain briefly how to connect, how to disconnect, and all those things, which probably if you have already used a Bluetooth device, probably this will not be of that help, but it is always good to have a read. And now we come to the actual device itself. So the entire headset have a rubberized structure or texture, to be honest, and feels really nice in our hands. It's also solid, really sturdy. We can use that for our rough use, probably up to an extent. One of the other feature which we can find is this comes with an NFC. Also we can connect using Bluetooth. The volume keys are tactile, as well as it is a bit more rigid to click in. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and see you soon.